Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add free shipping over a certain amount on Shopify. Here at their homepage, on the left side of the screen, go ahead and go to the settings and click on shipping and delivery. And here, if you scroll down, you're going to see custom shipping rates and go ahead and click create new profile. And here, go on add products and select your product. Then go ahead and put name on your product. Then scroll down, go to shipping origins. Go ahead and click on create zone and set your zone name as free. Then down below, go ahead and click on your preferred countries. And down below, click on add rate. So here, go ahead and type on free shipping international. Then add on your preferred price. And here you can add condition and you can base it on the order price and make any necessary changes that you like. And once you're done, click on done and make sure to save any changes before leaving on the screen. If this video was helpful, go ahead and click like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.